Welcome viewers. Today I will discuss about drawing of house. In a vibrant world of imagination, kids embark on a creative journey armed with markers, pencils and paper to craft handmade drawings of houses. The artistry unfolds as they explore die architecture, playing with shapes and colors to designs unique expressions of their creative minds. Playtime becomes a canvas for learning as the children engage in the artistic process, infusing each sketch with colorful details. With boundless creativity, these young artists bring the architecture of their dreams to life, using a mix of craft and designs to construct whimsical houses. The sketching process is a playground of artistic expressions where every stroke contributes to the overall vibrant and fun atmosphere. Handmade drawings become a testament to the kids' imaginative powers, showcasing the beauty of die art and the unlimited potential of their creativity. Armed with an array of markers and pencils, they experiment with different shades, infusing each house drawing with a burst of colors. The paper transforms into a canvas of artistic exploration, capturing the essence of playtime filled with joy and learning. The architecture of their drawings reflects not just houses but a manifestation of their unique perspectives and artistic flair. As the children delve into the world of handmade art, their creativity blossoms, and the sketches become a celebration of artistic freedom. The architectural designs take shape guided by the kids' inventive minds, making each drawing a testament to the clientele's possibilities that unfold. When imagination meets paper, it's a collaborative effort of craft and creativity, with every stroke contributing to the overall masterpiece. The die approach adds a touch of individuality to each house drawing as the kids experiment with different techniques to enhance their creations. Craft and design intertwine, resulting in a kaleidoscope of colors that breathe life into the sketches. The process becomes an artistic journey where the children learn not just about shapes and colors, but also about self expression and the joy of creating something truly unique. In this artistic realm, playtime becomes a dynamic experience where architecture is not confined to blueprints but it is a fluid, imaginative process. The handmade of drawings houses captured the essence of this tripartite exploration, showcasing the energy between creativity and exploration. Each stroke is a step towards building a world where art and architecture coexist harmoniously. The kids' artistic go beyond conventional boundaries as they infuse their drawings with elements of surprise and individual flair. Markers and pencils become tools of empowerment, allowing the kids to shape their artistic visions into tangible forms on paper. The die ethos instills a sense of pride as they witness their handmade drawings evolving into vibrant expressions of creativity. The houses that stand as testaments to the boundless potential of youthful imagination. As the children, thank you so much for watching this video.